Dear followers, did you know that YouTube allows you to support your favorite channels directly by becoming a channel member? Let's take a look at what YouTube channel memberships are, how they work and what they offer. Memberships are a step beyond subscribing, since they require financial support. This makes us grow and improve. When a channel offers memberships, next to subscribe button appears join button, and when you click the join button you'll see some information, including advantages if you become a member. The advantages of members are early access to new videos, priority replay to comments, and the most important, exclusive videos in the locations you recommend. You tell us the place you want to see and we will make a video there. The place can be a city neighborhood, a village, a beach or tourist spot, a castle or historical place, a forest or landscape, etc. We hope you are satisfied with our work. Thank you for your support.